Namaste, I am Roshni Godbole. In this playlist, we'll be dealing with the subject refrigeration and air conditioning. So let's begin. Before you start along with me, I would just like to tell you that this subject is not very difficult, but it is actually a beautiful subject since it actually tells us how our basic components and basic necessities of life work. That is the fridge and the AC. It is going to be a very interesting subject. So I request you all to kindly make your own notes along with me again and give 10 minutes every day to learn new concepts since it is very important to build a good and strong fundamental of the subject. Solving numericals, writing theory is another part. But to blend with the concepts, the idea, the perspective of this subject is very important to easily handle this from the examination point of view. So let's begin. What all topics we are going to cover in this is the simple VCR cycle, which is utilized mostly in small refrigerators and air conditioners. And again, the refrigerants which are used in this cycle. Then the vapor absorption refrigeration system, the equipments used in the refrigeration system, the air conditioning. After the refrigeration comes air conditioning. And for air conditioning, we need applied psychrometry to look at the properties of air. And when we install an AC, we need some cooling load calculations. And in huge places where air conditioning is central, we need the distribution system. So, throughout this playlist, we'll be looking at the most crucial concepts of this RAC subject. So let's begin with few simple and easy terms. First one is refrigeration. It is just the process of achieving and maintaining temperature below that of surroundings. This is very important that temperature must be below of surroundings. The aim being to cool some product or space, not just to cool but to preserve as well. The fruits and vegetables are preserved in refrigerator, and in air conditioning we feel comfort in humid and hot areas. So it refers to treatment of air. This word is very important in the air conditioning definition, that is the treatment of air, because we just not only control the temperature, but we also control the moisture content. We also filter the air and we also remove the odor. And this treated air is circulated as required by the process or product in the space or humans in this room. The most important part is the refrigerant, which flows in the AC and refrigerator apparatus. And this substance, that is refrigerant, is used to maintain lower temperature as compared to surroundings. The main unit which we'll be using in this is 1 ton of refrigeration. That is the amount of heat required to extract from 1 ton of water from 0 degrees Celsius in order to convert it at 0 degrees Celsius ice in 24 hours. Now, when we'll see VCR cycle, we'll observe that an evaporator, that is the freezer section, phase change occurs, and in that case temperature is not changed, that is 0 degree celsius 0 but only phase changes. So water is being converted to ice, that is liquid is being converted to solid. So phase change occurs, and thus we name it as 1 ton of refrigeration. The unit becomes 1 tor, 1 torr. So in this next thing, we'll be looking at the Clausius statement, the second law of thermodynamics, which is related to refrigeration. It states that it is impossible to construct a device to transfer heat energy from lower to higher temperature without the aid of external work. Now, whenever you think that temperature is being transferred from lower to higher temperature, it means there is a negative temperature gradient. We have always seen that heat transfers from high to lower, that is from 40 degrees Celsius, the heat is transferred to 20 degrees Celsius water, right? So we need some external work to do such type of heat transfer. And last is the refrigeration effect. It is the amount of cooling produced by the system. So in output, what we get is refrigeration effect. That's all for this video. Let's meet in the next one. Thank you.